Welcome, digital artists! I'm Galia from AI Creative Tools, and today we're going to talk about Midjourney capabilities, what you can and what you should avoid creating with this AI tool. This video is for you if you've decided to make AI-generated images your passive income stream, and now you're at the stage of asking yourself, what AI tool should I pick for my project? We'll talk about all kinds of clip art, coloring pages, patterns, photos, mockups, and other digital products that you can create with AI. And along the way, we'll see if Midjourney is the best tool for your project or if one of its competitors is. Starting with Clipart-based images, as this includes a wide variety of digital products. First, clip art themselves. The artistic variety of styles that Midjourney offers is far ahead of competitors. Flat, 3D, watercolor, photorealistic, and so many other styles. But if you're aiming for something simple, vector-like designs, then you'd better look at Ideogram or ChatGPT, as Midjourney tends to get too fancy with its art, and it's rather hard to tone it down and get reliable, flat, minimalist results. Second, stickers for digital planners or printables. Though I don't recommend using the word sticker in your prompt, you may end up with inconsistent borders, shadows, or even an image of a printed sticker in someone's hands. All of it make it very difficult to extract the image from background, so my recommendation is to make a normal clip art in Midjourney and then add a sticker border in Canva or another editing tool. Then, SVGs. Yes, you can make flat black and white images, which makes them suitable for further vectorizing. Avatars are another variation of clip art, and with omnireference and the proper prompt, you can even make them look like real people. Emojis are also creatable, but they are very simple images, so we recommend other AI tools for this task. As for Instagram highlights, you can create them in sets or as separate images. Midjourney is great for separate icons, but when you are making sets, we recommend Ideogram or Leonardo as they understand better the diversity across multiple items. Next up, frames. This includes corners, borders, and other elements that you can use for invitations, social media backgrounds, and more. I think that Midjourney is quite good in this domain. Badges with empty center areas also work well with Midjourney. You can use them for junk journals, scrapbooking, digital planners, labels, and more. Ephemera is another format of clip art mainly used for junk journals. We always recommend Midjourney for all junk journal related images because its style strikes the perfect balance between realism and illustration, which works best for junk journals. Other AI tools are far behind in this area. Tattoo design is also a great fit. Use Midjourney for more fancy and artistic styles, and if you want something simpler, you're welcome to use other AI tools. Logos and icons are more in vector domain, so we don't recommend Midjourney for that. Also, logos often include text, and as for now, version 7, Midjourney still doesn't handle text well. From artistic point of view, Ideogram is best for designs with text, and if you have longer text, maybe ChatGPT will be more reliable. But both of them actually make the text precise to what you request. To sum up, Midjourney is excellent for clip art-based images, especially for those in rich and sophisticated styles. But avoid using it for vector style designs because the outcomes from Midjourney are just not vector enough, as you see. Also for set items and anything with text, because other AI tools are just better for it. And by the way, Ideogram is the current champion for Pinterest images. Coloring pages are pretty straightforward. Midjourney handles them really well. But if you're looking for minimalist designs or you want to ensure that every area is properly closed, use ChatGPT instead. Midjourney is great for printable coloring pages when a few open lines don't matter, but for digital coloring pages, these gaps might be an issue. Patterns are another strong domain for Midjourney. It can do seamless patterns using the tile parameter, and also if you can prompt well, then the aesthetics are unbeatable. ChatGPT can't do seamless at all, and Ideogram is capable of seamless patterns, though this feature is only for an older version, meaning that the aesthetics suffer. Same for Leonardo, it's also capable of seamless patterns, but visually they are far behind Midjourney. The scope with illustrations is massive. Digital paper, wall art, junk journals, textures, invitations, wallpaper, children's books, social media graphics. Literally, your imagination is the only limit. This group of products is even broader than Clipart, and Midjourney is excellent here, unless you want something with text or minimalist. Photos are another big group. You can generate stock photography of portraits, lifestyle, food, travel, and many more. These are all great for blogs. You can also make interior backdrops for your Zoom meetings or Twitch streams, or even make other kinds of photorealistic background images, for example, for product placement or professional photo shoots. Midjourney and other AI tools both do a great job with photo generation. Still, if your focus is on realistic limbs, especially hands, ChatGPT performs better. But Midjourney is particularly good for purpose-specific visuals, probably due to its dataset being rich in commercial imagery. So it's up to you which trade-off you prefer. Mockups are a huge part of the photo category. In case you didn't know, a mockup is a realistic rendering of a product in a real-life scene to show how it's meant to be used. Prompting for mockups can be tricky, even for seasoned users. Midjourney is the best AI tool for mockup with models. Yes, it still has issues with limbs, but it's getting better and better with every version, and Midjourney's realism is already above the competition. For mockups without models, you can use ChatGPT or Ideogram as well. Important note: if your task is not showing how your design will look like on a typical product of some kind, but instead you want to mock up for a specific product, things get more complicated. Generic products like Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt or Bella Canvas t-shirts are easy to recreate. But for something more niche, for example, a custom-shaped exhibition stand made of specific materials, even a great prompt will never be enough. You'll need omni-reference, a real photo, plus a strong prompt. Still not happy with the results? Try ChatGPT or wait for further Midjourney updates, especially for omni-reference. And without a good reference image, don't even go there. Sublimation design is the most common real-world use case of AI images, and the great thing is you can use Midjourney for both mockups and sublimations, and then combine them in Canva or Photoshop. There are two main types of sublimation designs: local designs, Clipart-based, which you can see on t-shirts, sweatshirts, tote bags, mugs, etc. And also there is the all-over print method, mainly seamless patterns, which you can also see on apparel, home decor, accessories, gift wrapping, interior design, wall art, stationery, and many more. Now let's talk about concepts, not final products, but idea generation. I encourage you to use AI as your unlimited source of inspiration. And here are just few examples. Video game assets, characters, buildings, potions, armor set, textures, weapons. For business, business cards, product labels, branding, flyers, resumes, stationery, tags, cards, bookmarks, invites. As for web design, for websites or applications, I don't recommend Midjourney. It's better to use other tools, especially from version 7. It's really hard to get a flat, clean template, and its issues with text start to become critical here. But there are also other ideas: nail design, makeup, mood boards, fashion looks, interior design, party decors, and so much more. Let me know in the comments if I forgot something cool. Let's finish with an important AI capability: consistent characters. Using omni-reference in Midjourney, you can achieve decent results with people, animals, and even objects. But with real people from your real photos, don't expect perfect results. This feature still has some limits, though it's evolving fast. I hope this video helped bring you clarity and some inspiration as well about what Midjourney can and cannot do. The next step is actually creating. And if the idea of writing prompts still feels overwhelming, check out our prompt builders. They are made to simplify the whole process and help you get great results faster. You can learn more from the link in the description box. That's it for today. I've got a lot of ideas for upcoming videos: detailed AI tools comparison for certain tasks, hands-on workshops, or even a short behind the scenes of our small business, what tools we use, the workflow, and even costs. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. As always, feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon.